Wasting free Frankie under table, let's clean him up. The dirtier the better to clean. Let's shampoo Frankie and brush the hair well. Brush, brush, brush. And now my favorite part is conditioning the hair and massage it well. Now washing Frankie clothes. Now boiling the hair to make it smoother. Help me. Hair for the day.
Bye.